In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness. Then scroll to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate if you wish to turn it off or switch it on. If you want to manage auto rotation faster, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can switch it back on by clicking on the same switcher until it's white and the icon turns red. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!